Hello, today, welcome to Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, August 29th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 to 8:30. I ready reading and math windows are this week. Please see the testing calendar that Ms. Spiegelberg sent for your specific date and time. As your students are taking these assignments, you should be circulating the room, attending to the students. This should be a secure testing environment with students seated and quiet and focused. PE, please make sure that your students are allowed to use the restroom prior to going to PE. Thank you for assisting the coaches with this. Late duty. Today is Miss Reynolds. Tomorrow is Miss Barnes. On the 31st is Miss Waller. On September the 1st, Miss Mahler. September the 2nd, Miss Shepherd. Today's announcements. 2nd through 5th grade teachers, please plan to meet on Wednesday during your planning time for ACAP data meetings in Ms. Mullen's room. Safety servers will be placed in your box Friday. Please take a moment to complete the survey to assist us with our safety plans. Turn the complete forms into Ms. Horton by Wednesday, the 31st. Important dates: August 29th to September the 2nd are already Diagnostic 1. September the 2nd, College Shirt Day. September the 5th, Labor Day, no school. September the 6th, Title I meetings for parents, 9 a.m. September the 9th, Grandparents' Day lunch, and Ina Kona Ice. September the 9th, Phonics, first and 9. September the 14th, Isla Kids Deadline. September the 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day. October the 7th, end of first quarter. October the 10th, no school, teacher work day. Make sure you've seen the schedule sent by Ms. Spiegelberg for your time to do your reading, your iReady reading. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday.